Sister Trisha singing to the glory of God.
I
God will do it. He will fix it for
that
you.
God is gonna make a way for me. I know He's gonna do it. Come on, help me sing victory. He never told me how He's gonna do it, Jesus Lord, and He never tell me just when He's gonna fix it. Then now I'm happy, shouting, yay, that God is gonna make a way for me. I know He's gonna do it. Help me sing victory. And I just want to tell somebody tonight, His voice makes the difference. When He speaks, He relieves my troubled mind.
Glory.
It's the only voice I hear that makes a difference. As I follow one day at a time, His voice makes a difference. When He speaks, He relieves my troubled mind. It's the only voice I hear that makes the difference. As I follow one day at a time.
Eh,
I just want to
bosu.
encourage a new believer tonight that you made a right choice when you came to God and not
My
try
God.
to